Hey everyone, welcome back to Manny Maker. If you've just unboxed your new Cricut Joy and you're feeling stuck, this guide will walk you through the entire setup process. Or if you need a personalized help, reach out using the numbers shown on the screen or follow the steps below. Unbox the Cricut Joy and remove all packaging materials. Verify that all included accessories are present. Position your Cricut on a stable, level surface near both a power source and your computer. Connect the power cord to the rear port on your machine, then plug it into an electric outlet to power on your machine. Now, navigate to design.cricut.com/setup in your web browser to download Cricut Design Space. Complete the on-screen installation process for the software. After installation, open Cricut Design Space and select Product Setup. Complete the registration form on the Cricut ID creation page and click on Create Cricut ID. When the browser notification appears after signing in, click Open to launch the Cricut application. Choose the option to set up a new machine and proceed by clicking on Continue. Don't forget to subscribe to Manny Maker for additional Cricut tutorials and creative project ideas. Select Cricut Joy and click on Continue. Progress through the on-screen instructions by clicking on the arrow until you see this option. Now, go to your computer and open Settings. Then, click on the Devices option. Enable Bluetooth and click on Add button. Select Bluetooth and your Cricut Joy model. After that, wait for a while until it connects to your machine. Return to Cricut Design Space and click on the drop-down menu and select any one option. After that, hit the Continue button. On the next screen, click on the Activate button and your Cricut Joy setup is done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.